So I think the first thing to say is that if you take a given cancer patient's journey in any health system in the world, from the moment the cancer patient is diagnosed, the moment they're discharged, a lot of very messy data is actually captured on that cancer patient, be it the treatments they receive, the tests they receive, the reports, the clinical letters, and actually being able to access, analyse and turn that into something that's meaningful, a data set that can be used for research purposes, is a real challenge. And I think being able to do that is then you unlock a whole series of research, clinical, operational and even commercial benefits for hospitals across the globe, but nonetheless certainly within the NHS. Some of the data we've seen in our data is our data has been able to get treatments to patients faster. It's been able to improve the experience of patients. So in particular, one drug has moved from from weekly to a fortnightly dosing schedule, so halving the time that patients are in the clinic receiving this therapy. So that's the impact of data on terms of access, but also exposing areas where there are discrepancies in treatments, maybe by certain patient populations who may have access to care issues, and particularly in the US where our data has shone a light on these patients and tried to encourage the health system to think more about how we get those patients into treatment faster. And then finally, I think there's a lot, even at this conference, about machine learning and artificial intelligence, the impact that can have on cancer care, and 100% agree there's a huge benefit to exploring those types of innovations. However, as you can see from ChatGPT and other solutions, those solutions are only ever as good as the data that they're trained on. So it's critically important that you have a highly representative, high quality data set that you can train some of these innovations on that will then have an impact on patients, not just in the UK, but globally.